What does it take to circle the planet without stopping or refueling, using only a balloon and the power of the wind? In March 1999, the silver Breitling Orbiter 3 became the first balloon to complete a nonstop flight around the world. Pilots Bertrand Piccard, a Swiss psychiatrist and explorer, and Brian Jones, a skilled British balloonist, led the mission. They crossed oceans, deserts, and mountains, not on engines, but with helium for lift and hot air, heated by onboard propane. The challenge wasn't the flight itself, it was the endurance, the logistics, and mastering nature's invisible jet streams. Previous global balloon attempts had failed. Shredded envelopes, gas leaks, mechanical failures, blocked airspaces. Piccard himself had tried twice before, in 1997 and 1998, but storms and technical problems forced early landings. Orbiter 3's design changed everything. A helium cell provided constant lift. A separate propane-heated air chamber fine-tuned altitude. Why was altitude control critical? Because jet streams, narrow, high-speed air currents, were their only highway around the Earth. The balloon flew at altitudes of 8,000 to 10,000 meters, riding these winds, constantly adjusting to stay within their narrow corridors. The pressurized gondola, a carbon fiber capsule the size of a small car, kept the crew alive in the freezing upper atmosphere. Solar panels powered instruments, communication systems, and essential onboard electronics during the nearly 20-day journey. On the ground, a dedicated meteorology team recalculated routes daily, identifying the optimal jet streams and warning of weather risks. The risks? Immense. Deviate too far, and they drift into storms, military no-fly zones, or endless stretches of open ocean. They carried no backup fuel for propulsion, only propane, about 3.7 tons, to heat air, critical for buoyancy and altitude shifts. Food and water were rationed precisely, with every kilogram calculated to avoid unnecessary weight that could cost them altitude. Sleeping in turns, Piccard and Jones took restless shifts, always monitoring altitude, wind, and technical systems. The journey covered 45,755 kilometers in 19 days, 21 hours, and 55 minutes, setting new distance and endurance records. But why attempt it? For Piccard, the goal was symbolic, proving we could cross the planet with minimal energy, in harmony with nature. This philosophy laid the groundwork for his next dream, Solar Impulse, the first solar-powered aircraft to circle the globe. Solar Impulse launched in 2015, showing that aviation innovation could push beyond fossil fuels and reimagine flight. Today, the Orbiter 3 gondola hangs in the Swiss Transport Museum, a monument to human ambition, ingenuity, and ecological vision. It reminds us, the future of exploration may not come from raw power, but from working with nature's own invisible forces.